We have a 2022 BMW 3 Series. This is the 340i. Obviously, we've done an M66 customizable series, a Scorpion S5 tracker, and front and rear dash cameras. So now we'll go through it. So on the app here, as you can see, the vehicle is armed. And as you will see, the vehicle is locked on here. If I unlock the vehicle, the system will still be armed unless you press the tag. So with this, you get one tag available. Obviously, the customer has opted in for an additional one. Obviously, if we press this here, this will now disarm the system. As you can see, the bubble has disappeared and the vehicle will be on and operational. So if we start the vehicle up, as you can see, engine will turn on as normal, ready and operational. If I switch the system off, and if I arm the system by pressing the tag, I cannot start the engine anymore. So as you will see, can't start the engine. I'll be getting a notification from the system, as you can see here, and a phone call to alert us of what the situation is. I can disarm the system. That will stop the phone call and the system coming through. With the tracking on here, we have the Scorpion S5 tracker. So when this is with the vehicle, it will be driver identification. So that way, once this is traveling, they know it's you. If you don't have it, it will obviously alert the tracking company and it'll be giving you phone calls. We have tracking and facilities all on here. Remote shutdown, service mode, lock and unlocking on the system. All through here, we have an event log. On the cameras now, if we go through, we fitted the G-On X, the 1080p models. So as you can see, this is the front, 1080p front and rear. We'll see the unit itself is this one here, the G-On X. And we have the rear camera just in the back up here. Now we have